How to turn on professional mode in Facebook. Hi, in this video, I will guide you how to turn on professional mode in Facebook. What is Facebook professional mode? It's a feature that allows Facebook profile users to make money that were previously exclusive to Facebook pages. If you like uploading videos or reels and you turn on professional mode, your Facebook profile can now have the capability to earn money or be part of Facebook partner monetization program. To start, go to your Facebook profile, tap the three dots option in the left side of your profile, and you will see the turn on professional mode below. And tap it. As you can see, turn on professional mode, get paid for your content, and let more people to follow you. And tap the turn on button. And you need to set it up. You need to set up your profile properly. You need to add and establish your presence, add your profile picture, cover photo, and add some bio. And also create content and add more details of yourself. After you turn on and completed all the steps required here, you can now tap the back button. And now your Facebook profile is already in a professional mode. So as you can see, it's already changed into a professional mode. You can tap the tools. In this section, you can see your profile overview. You can check the insights or the statistics of your Facebook profile. Also, you can use some tools like Moderation Assist, which is you can moderate all the comments in your Facebook profile. And you can also check if you are eligible to receive stars, which is the money-making machine if you turn on your professional mode in your Facebook profile. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on notification bell, and subscribe for more updates.